Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez, and today I'm going to be decorating my Christmas tree, and I am decorating my Christmas tree before the rest of my house because I want to make sure that my tree matches the rest of my decor. So I'm just going to go ahead and get it done. I don't think that what I do today is going to be the final look of my tree, but I want to again get it done so that I can move on to the rest of my house. I am still wanting to get some more ornaments, very specific large ornaments that I want, but I haven't had the opportunity to go to the store and I don't want to wait any longer. So I'm just going to go ahead and work with what I have back here. So I have the same thing that I did last year, which was I set up most of the ornaments that I'm going to be using over here. Sorry for this kind of weird vlog style intro, but I want to go ahead and just get started because as soon as I'm done with this, I do need to go to my son's game. So I'm going to just go ahead and get this done. I do want to let you know that I am going to add more lights up here. You can tell the difference in lights. My tree did already come with lights, but I do want to add some more just because I really like that really full look on my tree. So anyways, let's get into it. I've already talked way too much. As always, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified anytime that I post a new video. And again, I'm hoping to have more Christmas content for you. I was hoping to have already had some, but I've been sick and whatnot. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I hope that you enjoy this video. And here is my bare tree before I add the rest of the lights to it and before any ornaments. I absolutely love my tree. I cannot recommend this tree enough. I bought it from Walmart. It is $149 and it is worth every single penny. I am going to leave it linked down below for you if you are in the market for a tree and you want a realistic looking tree, or you're going to make a switch from a real tree to a faux tree. This is the way to go because it looks realistic, and that is because of the type of branch tips it has. It has what I believe are called PE instead of PVC or tinsel, so it stores amazingly. This is my second year and it looks just as good as the day that I took it out of the box, and everything works on it, so it's a good investment piece. Also, before I start adding some of the ornaments, I do want you to see how crazy it looks with the ribbon right now. So anytime you add ribbon, it's going to look crazy before it makes sense. So just add it in, let it speak to you as you're doing it. Step back, and if it looks a little crazy, you're doing it right, because with the ornaments filled up around it, it all just makes complete sense. And as I add these ornaments, my camera cuts off. So you're going to notice all of a sudden there's more ornaments. I was questioning whether I should leave these white ornaments on the tree because I'm doing more of a mixed metal kind of look with my tree this year. But I did end up liking how they looked in the end. Let me know if you like them as well. I'm going to take this time to tell you about the shirt that I'm wearing. I know you can't see it very well in this portion of the video or pretty much in the rest of this video, but you are going to be seeing a lot of it in my next couple of videos, specifically most, if not all, of my DIY videos. This is my DIY uniform. It is a shirt that is available to purchase. I'm going to leave the link down below. You can purchase it through Teespring. A lot of YouTubers sell their merch on there, so I decided to add my shirts there as well. I have had them linked down below for the longest time, but I am horrible at trying to sell you these things because I feel bad about it. But anyways, here it is. I love this shirt. I am wearing a large in a classic tee, which is a unisex tee. I did buy it large so that it would fit very loose on me. So I do think that for the classic, it is very true to size. There is a sizing guide there available as well on the website. So I would appreciate it if you went out and bought a shirt and showed it off to me. I will re-tag you over on my Instagram, or send me an email of you wearing it, and I'd love to share it. I absolutely love this shirt because I am always DIYing, and I hope that you like the shirt as much as I do. Thank you in advance if you do decide to purchase. I add all of my ornaments based off of size, so biggest ones first, and then at the end I like to add these icicle looking ones. So it's all of my acrylic ones that either look like little raindrop, you'll see some up ahead, and these acrylic longer ones, or if you do the actual icicles, this is when you would add it. This is kind of like the final glammy touch that I add to my trees. Regardless of the theme, I will always add these to them. And now we're gonna work on our tree topper. I always add a star and then I add my picks around it. I did try to incorporate this preserved eucalyptus that I had for the fall. Basically, all you're going to do is to the top portion of your tree, probably about a 1/10 of your tree is what I'm kind of doing it as. You're gonna add picks all around it, kind of like a crown, but you also want it to stick to the front, and that's why I did end up taking off this preserved eucalyptus, because I could only add it to the back of my star. It was making it seem like it wasn't even there, or that it was kind of coming forward at you. I tried to make it work. It looked crazy up at the top, so I tried to add some to the sides, and that's when I decided, nope, it's just not going to work. So I did take them off and I only left the red berries. I do want to go back and add some more though. And here is the Christmas tree all decorated. Again, I'm still going to make some changes. Sorry about the mess all over the place, but decorating is messy. Now there are some changes that I know I'm going to do. This area in particular right here is very empty, and then up here it's also very empty. I want it to be nice and full like it is here in this center part. So I am going to try and get more of these white ornaments, probably 2 or 3, and another 2 or 3 of these, and one of these kind of like gunmetal color ones. This one I am going to add over here, not this one, but if I buy one of those, it'll be back here, so it'll be kind of symmetry with that one, and it'll just be visually more appealing. Also, I am going to go back and add a lot of these. Where are they? A lot of these like DIY clear ornaments. They're perfect for when you want to make your tree look very full. And just like that one and like that one, they're back there. They don't take up a lot of visual space, but they do take up actual space. So it just adds to it looking more full. I do like to add a lot of those in this kind of negative space back here where I didn't decorate. I only decorate this portion of my tree. If I take you over here to the side, you'll see how it's just decorated right there, and then back there there's nothing. So I do add a lot of those back there so that it fills up nicely. Same over here, I'll come in and add some of those. And I also would love to get more of the picks. It did stop recording when I started to add those in, but it's very simple and basic how to do them. It's you literally just insert them on there. I like to add them to where they stick out to the sides. If I take you to the side of my tree, you'll see that even these front ones do the same, where they come out. I am going to teach you a trick on how to add them in my tips and tricks video, so make sure that you watch out for that. I think that's it for this video because I know it's going to be kind of a lengthy one. I'm sorry that my phone actually, because I do everything on my phone, stopped recording 2 or 3 times in this video. Once when I was doing the topper right before I did the picks, and then in between me adding some of the ornaments, but that's pretty simple. I just added them and I tried to follow a zigzag pattern when adding my ornaments. So you didn't miss that much of that time, I'm sorry. So again, thank you so much for watching. I do want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post a new video, because I have a really fun collaboration that is going to expand over 12 days, and you don't want to miss any of those because it's all DIYs, and I'm going to do DIYs that I'm actually going to use in my home, not just DIYs to put up a DIY. So hit the notification bell so that you are notified when those videos come out. Follow me on Instagram because I share a lot of pictures of Christmas vignettes that I do, just more pictures of my tree. I am going to be doing some fun stuff over there, so please follow me over on Instagram as well. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and have a very good rest of your day. Bye bye.